I'm going to demonstrate how to install the turn signal controller in a vehicle equipped with a brake relay such as the MGA 1500. Turn signal controller provides two main functions. Allows for precise variable adjustment of the delay with respect to the duration of the turn signal indicators, as well as allows for four-way or hazard light functionality using the standard Lucas switch. On the model we've got the brake relay, flasher, right indicators, front and rear, left indicators, front and rear, a brake light switch, as well as the turn indicator. Basically, pulling on the brake puts on the rear brake lights, and in this setup the rear brake lights are shared, provides two functions, brake lights as well as indicators. The turn signal controller will work on a positive or negative ground vehicle, as I will show, and installs quite quickly. First, kind of demonstrating the functionality of this model and the problem with the current switch. As long as the switch is closed, the lights come on, right indicators flash. When I let go, the indicators go off. The delay functionality of the switch no longer functions correctly. Same situation on the left. Left is on. Once I release the switch, the left indicators go off. Now, to solve that problem, I just need to install the turn signal controller, as well as going to solve my delay function, as well as allow four-way flashers and hazard lights to be installed. First thing to do is disconnect the power. Take the switch, unravel the wires. We've got 8 wires coming out of the controller, and disconnect the wires going to the back of your indicator switch. Now, in this type of setup, we can connect the yellow wire and the gray wire coming from the controller to the wire which was previously attached to the F or common terminal. This is going to provide a power source to the controller, as well as direct the current through the controller back to the indicators. The blue wire is connected to the left signal. So this blue wire is connected to your left indicators. The orange wire is connected to the right turn signals. Purple wire is connected to the vehicle ground, and in this case, as I said before, this is currently a negative ground vehicle. The model is for a negative ground vehicle, and as I'll demonstrate, the controller will work on either a positive or a negative ground vehicle. The white wire is connected to the terminal on the back of your switch, which controls the right indicators. The green wire connected to the back of the switch, which controls the left indicators. And the final wire, the brown wire, connected to the common or the terminal marked F on the back of the switch. That's it, pretty quick to install. Reconnect the power. Turning on the left indicator now comes on for the length and duration of the delay, which is set. Delay is currently set at 3 seconds, so it's quite short, can be adjusted from 3 seconds to approximately 3 minutes. Turning on the right indicator, again, switch is released, indicators stay on for the duration. If I want to adjust the duration of delay, simply remove the backing of the controller. I've got 2 screws in here to speed up the demonstration. Inside the controller there's a potometer. It's a single turn potometer, rotates approximately 270 degrees. It's a precise instrument. You don't want to get your biggest screwdriver on there, you're going to destroy it. Full counterclockwise is your minimum delay, full clockwise is your maximum delay. Like I said, 3 seconds to 3 minutes. I'll increase it slightly by turning it clockwise. Quite easy to adjust. Now from a functionality perspective, left indicators are on. If I want to cancel them, close the left switch again. Right indicators are on. Want to cancel them, turn right again, they shut off. Left indicators are on. I turn right, left cancel, right come on. Right indicators are on. Want to turn left. I turn left, right go off, left come on for the length of duration of the delay. Now, if I hold the switch closed for more than 2 seconds in either direction, the four-way flashers or hazard lights come on. These will remain on until the switch is closed in either direction. A function that was not available with this Lucas switch when it was working in its original condition. Cancel the lights, turn the switch in either direction. Demonstrate that again. Close for more than 2 seconds, hazard lights come on, and can be shut off quite easily. Now if you install the hazard light functionality, or you take use of the hazard light functionality using the controller, be sure to upgrade your flasher. Your flasher is going to provide enough current to operate 2 indicators, but will not provide enough current or conduct enough current to operate both sides, left and right. Now in terms of, as I said, the controller works on a positive or negative ground vehicle. Currently we've got a negative ground vehicle set up. Just change the polarity here of the model. So now I'm going to switch this from a negative ground to a positive ground vehicle. Pretty simple to do here on the table. And as we see, the controller still functions. So the controller, very easy to install, installs very quickly, provides precise adjustment of the delay of your indicators, as well as adds a four-way functionality, and can be done quite quickly, as well as working in a positive or a negative ground vehicle.